Hey everyone, I'm Waggle Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing people do hauls, particularly hauls from shopmissa, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, no, I'm not breaking my low buy or no buy or whatever I've planned for 2023. I made this purchase in December. It took a few weeks to get to me and then it sat for a couple weeks and I'm just doing the unboxing now. So I'm maintaining thus far 2 weeks into January my low buy. Now ask me, do I remember what I got? No. They were having a sale and I got an email and I had some points that were going to expire. You know how they drag you back in? Who wants to miss out on their free points? So long story short, I have this. Luckily, it looks like the, I say that, luckily for me, the airtight bubbles that normally the shipping comes in look to be a little deflated. So hopefully it won't burst air in my face. Oh my God. Wish me luck. Yay. Now, if you aren't aware, shopmissa has products other than makeup and skincare. So I picked up some products that are not in the beauty space. Let's start with those. All right, so I got this item here. Sorry for any crinkling. And this is a garlic grinder. I love garlic. I love to cook. But what I hate is peeling and dicing and chopping up garlic. So who knows how this will work. It's like a little mini cheese grater and there's a place you put it. I don't know how it works. But I will give it a try, and for $1, it was worth the risk. I also picked up some packing bags. Not that I'm traveling anywhere, but in the event I do travel, I picked up 2 of the medium-sized bags, and they have a zipper, and you can put, I don't know, whatever you want, socks, underwear, pajamas, and you just stick the little cubes inside of your suitcase. You could also use this just to store items that are for the winter time or summer when you change seasons, and keep them in your closet. I also got 2 of the larger size in the matching tan shade. Oh, how nice. It comes with a handle, also has a zipper. I thought this was a fantastic deal at $1 a piece. Now, if only I can travel somewhere so I can put them to good use. This next product, I picked up 2 of them, and I've never tried it before, so I'm going to be very curious. I love foaming hand soap. Typically, I will pick up foaming hand soaps from Bath & Body Works. They smell delicious, but they can be a little pricey. I like to reuse the containers, and usually I make my own concoction. I'll take a normal liquid soap, add some water, but it's not quite the same. So these are advertised as foaming hand soap tablets. You drop in the tablet, you add water, shake it up, and supposedly it will create a formula similar to when you just buy off the shelf a foaming hand soap. I will have to let you know in a future video if these are good and work really well. If so, at $1, that is fantastic. Now ask me this, do I own a lot of makeup brushes? Yes. Does that stop me from buying more? Never. So I decided to get more brushes because why not? So I got 2 that are in this kind of pink handle. It's synthetic. They are about the same shape, just one is slightly smaller. These will be great for blending in the crease. They feel like they're wood and not plastic, which for $1 each, or maybe these were $1.55, that is a great deal. Do you think those were the only brushes I got? No. I also got this brush, which is a face brush. I think I'm going to use this for blush and or bronzer contour. And then I got this brush set, which has a concealer brush and a foundation brush. Both are flat and angled, which makes for really nice under the eyes for the concealer brush and for foundation. I got 1 additional brush set. This one is, I mainly wanted this brush here, which is super soft but dense, and this will be perfect for cream blushes or cream contour. This brush is also a little dense. You could use it for concealer, contouring your nose, or you could use it for whatever you want. Brushes are up to you to decide how you want to use them. And even though I have a ton of backup blending sponges, I still had to pick one up. I love these sponges. I love the beveled angle, and I really enjoy the price. Okay, look how good they did wrapping up and protecting some of the items. This first item is way smaller than the picture implied or how I interpreted the photo. I honestly thought I was getting a normal size eyeshadow palette. Look how teeny tiny the pans are. The whole palette is the size of a quad you would get from, say, ColourPop, but this has 8 shadows in here. I will still have fun playing with it. All right, this next product was totally giving me Physicians Formula vibes. This here is a bronzer contour compact. It's from Malibu Glitz, and I'm very curious if that white is going to stand out more than those other colors. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I am so fair, I don't know if it's going to pick up, but it's right there. It's very neutral, non-orange. Maybe I can use it to kind of lighten some bronzers that are too dark or too orange for me. I next got a highlighter. Comes with a mirror. This is what she looks like. And this is what she looks like swatched. That is beautiful. I also picked up a cream contour stick. That is much better than the powder one above it. Let's see if it blends out. That looks beautiful. Now, would it be me doing any type of haul without picking up some lip products? I got 4. So the first of the lip products is this one here. It is Magic Lip Glow, and it's a Kissing Fruit Gloss. It's in the shade scent Grape, and it has a roller ball. It smells like a grape Jolly Rancher. And I don't know if it'll pick up. It's right there. Even though grape is purple, it's a beautiful, soft pink. When I saw this lip product, how could I resist? It's shaped like a piece of candy. It's also kind of purple. It's called Candy Pop. This one comes with a tiny little doe foot. It does have a scent of I don't know what. Not chemical, not fruity, not sweet, just has a scent. There doesn't seem to be a lot of color, but it's right there. It does have a nice little glimmer to it. I must have been in a blue-purple mood because I also got this lip gloss here. This is the Diamond Lip Gloss. This gloss comes with a small doe foot. Doesn't seem to have a scent. Ooh, this one is duochrome. It's right there. I don't know if it'll pick up, but in person it shifts from pink to blue to purple. And if you're wondering why would you want anything blue, it's not really blue, but what I find with a gloss that has a slight blueness to it, if you ever have a lip product that's too orange or too bright, if you add this, it will kind of neutralize it. Plus, hello, look at the glimmery shimmery. The last lip product is this one here, which is a Cherry Blossom Jojoba Lip Oil. The applicator for this lip oil is Flat Paddle. All right, does this have a scent? Ooh, it does. Maybe cherry blossom? I don't really know what cherry blossom smells like. It almost smells like there's a very subtle hint of cinnamon, but my sniffer could be off. I hope it's not plumping. All right, the lip oil is right there. It feels nice on my hand and doesn't have very much pigmentation at all. It's very clear. All right, that was everything in my haul. Let me, just for those who are curious, put some of this blue lip gloss on so you can see what it does, how it doesn't show up blue, but it just slightly neutralizes and kind of makes your lips look a little more pink or purple, not so much blue. See what I mean? My lips don't look blue, but they don't look as warm as they did. Now, this has a very small doe foot, so I did have to go in 3 or 4 times to get product on my lips. I don't mind that. But again, this was like $1, maybe $1.55. So I want to hear from you now. Let me know if you've ever done a haul from Shop Miss A. They have some great products and you can find some gems. Now, are all of them fantastic? No. But for $1, $1.55, I don't mind giving a product a try. Now, if you have teenagers or tweens, this would be a fantastic place to get them started on makeup. It's very lightweight. It's very whimsical, the packaging. I think it would be fantastic. But even though I'm 56 years old, I think a lip gloss shaped like a candy is adorable. All right, leave me your thoughts, comments down below. Let me know what you thought of my haul. And let me know if you've ever actually done a haul from Shop Miss A. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.